Hi, welcome to this tutorial. So for this one, I'm going to show you how you can update the store name, okay? Because when you install OpenCart, by default, it shows your store name as your store, okay? So we want to make this one read something else so that matches your brand or your preference, okay? So to do that, you need to go under settings and then click on this edit button, then change this name to your brand. So I'll just say local dev, okay? So that's the first instance. The second instance is under the store section where you can, let me check. So there's the store owner part where you could prefer to use your brand, or if you have, or if you are a company and has a brand, like let's say Alphabet and Google, okay? So the store name will be called Google, and then the store owner will be Alphabet, okay? So that's how it works. So in my case, I don't have a different company name. I'll just use local dev everywhere, and then update. So when you go to this homepage, and it looks like it has not actually updated. So it means there is one more instance that we need to. Let me just quickly check. Yeah, the meta title, I had forgotten. So we also need to update the meta title to reflect the store name, okay? So I've changed that. Now we should see this, your store changing after we've saved the information. So let's do it. And as you can see, there is the new meta title called local dev. And if you have more details maybe to add, you can actually add after that, okay? So that's it about updating the name of your store. See you in the next video.